Alrighty, James, here's your 408 small block Ford description. This combination just has our ass gas heads on. Got the Edelbrock manifold on there for you. MSD Pro built, the front end on. For the alternator functions, custom grind hydraulic roller. Moroso front sump oil pan. Winner make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie dokie, 3,500, 475 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 498, peak horsepower 468, rated at 450. It's got a front end on it, so everything's good. We'll pull the pipe back, make sure it's good. I will show you a couple things. See your engine financing looks like a credit card. It is a USB card. It is full of technical information. In the crate will be this engine spec sheet. I would recommend reading it all. Have a great day.